Okay, so I just made it to my microblading appointment. The place is really nice to me, but I kind of wanted to show you the before of my brows. They have me wash my hands and take my temperature with OOTD. Outfit is from TJ Maxx with my Dior oblique slides and then my multi-facial mask from Amazon. So we do numbing first?
Yeah, so the numbing, we do it first. You numb for around 25 to 30 minutes. And then you can have the application with Tanya. I'm leaving, getting my brows done. I absolutely love them. I was very scared that they were gonna look scary, especially for the first day, and they honestly don't. I come back, I think it's 6 weeks. She sent me the email with my wait a minute. Okay, they're done and they look so good. I'm so excited. He actually did a really good job. I've seen people get their brows done and like on the first day they're thick and crazy, and I was scared of that. She was really thorough, and what I liked about her is that let me just slow down the back up. So you came in, or I came in, they checked my temperature on my wrist, they had me go to the bathroom and wash my hands, and then they made me sign the paperwork, which was like 2 or 3 pages, like front and back. So it did take a little while because I actually like read through everything. And then from there, the receptionist, or the lady at the front desk, she went in and numbed my brows and put a piece of saran wrap on top. I numbed for about 30 minutes. In that time, I seen my artist come in, and she set up and all that. She greeted me, and then when I was done numbing, I had to pee by then, so I went ahead and pottied, and then we sat down and we literally spent, I want to say, about a good 45 minutes to an hour, like shaping out my brows, which I loved because she was very personable, she was very detailed, she was very nice, she was actually very cool. Like, she was actually pretty cool. Like, she really was a nice girl. So first she asked me like what I wanted. I explained to her that I really didn't know for sure. I wanted them to be fuller. I wanted it to look like my brows were done. I did online book for combo brows, but I really wanted to understand the difference. Like, I understood the difference, but it's almost better that the person that is doing it for you explain it to you in their words. So I let her explain it to me. I wanted the strokes all throughout, which is the microblading, and then I still wanted a little bit of powder through, which is the powder brows, which is why I went for combo. Like, I like the strokes all throughout, but again, I just didn't want to look too many strokes where it looks too tattooed, but then the powder brows almost look like eyeshadow, and I didn't want it to look like eyeshadow, if that makes any sense. So I like the thickness. I don't have, or I didn't have before, a good arch, or like the tail of my arch was like non-existent, so I definitely wanted that filled in. So I kind of wanted to find the balance of like when my makeup is done, my brows can look good and I don't have to fill them in as much. But also when I don't wear makeup, my face has a lot more structure with the eyebrows, because I feel like your eyebrows are important. All in all, I really liked her. She was really nice. She was really cool. Like, actually, she was really cool. We had bonding about breastfeeding. Her daughter actually is the same age as Dominic, except she was born in August. Dominic was born in September. So our youngest, or our girls, are a month apart. She only has one. Of course, I have 3 kids, but we bonded about breastfeeding. She was really nice. She was telling me all these books that she's reading or listening to on audiobooks. So she actually motivated me to go in and buy some books via audiobook, because she recommended them to me, and we were actually talking about like financial like financial planning and financial help, self-help books type of thing. So I'm rambling. It's time for me to get back to the kitties. It's actually 1:03 and my appointment was at 10:30. So when I booked, it tells me to be prepared to be there for 3 hours. I was only there for 2.5 hours, so that actually wasn't bad. I did make myself a coffee. This place is literally 5 minutes from my house, so I did make myself a coffee before I left the house, and I literally was driving down the street like chugging for dear life. But I'm gonna go ahead and put my glasses on, because I'm gonna go to Starbucks and see if they want me to pick up anything to eat. But once I hit the sun, I don't want to put any craziness. So got my Dior shades. Okay, so let's get on the road. Okay, so this is pretty cool. Like, you know the thing where you like take a ticket and then when you're done you pay? So instead of having you take a ticket, when I first came in, it had me insert my debit card, and then you insert the same debit card when you leave, instead of getting a ticket and like having to pay. So I thought that was pretty cool. Wait, $11.25? What? I thought it was cool, but it's actually a scam. They played me. I literally just paid $11.25 to park in this building for 2 hours. I'm spying on my kids really quickly to see like if everybody is okay. It looks like Daddy ordered some pizza, so I don't have to worry about picking up any food or cooking, and they are content, so nobody's crying, nobody's mad, which means I could actually run a couple errands. But then honestly, there's nothing I need to do. I need to go home and work, so I'm gonna get a coffee from Starbucks and go home. That's pretty boring. Let me see if they need anything. Who is that little baby girl? Hi, friend, mama. What you eating?
Pizza.
You eating some pizza? Mommy, you gotta come home and do your hair. You so pretty. Hi, son.
Hello.
Daddy ordered you guys some pizza? Okay, where's Dad? Let me see Dad. Y'all need anything? Y'all good? Do you like my brows or no? You like my brows or no?
Oh, they're spicy.
Do I look like a chola with tattoo brows?
Like,
Different.
I look different?
Yeah, you look different.
Does my eyebrows look different?
Yeah.
I'm trying to have thick eyebrows like you, Cody. You got the best eyebrows in the house. Do you need anything while I'm out, Cody?
Huh?
You need anything while I'm out?
Yeah.
What you need me to get you? You saving me some pizza?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna come home so I can see you, okay? Bye-bye. Hang up, mommy.
Bye-bye.
Hang mommy up. Okay, that's pretty boring. I feel like I am hyped to go and like run a couple errands, but honestly I don't have any errands I need to run right now. So yeah, I'll see you guys a little bit later. I'm about to go incognito with my sun blockers. Okay, I feel like I need to detox really bad. I haven't been able to detox since before I had Dominic, because you know it's just not healthy while you're breastfeeding. But I'm at my favorite place to get my favorite detox. I go to Party City to get my kids' birthday supplies. I've been asleep. I should have been coming here. The cute little banner, the balloons. I did all pink for Dominic, and I probably could have saved hella money if I would have just came here. I did unicorn for Cody's birthday. I could have got a unicorn little head, gift bags, plates. I like the dollar store. I've been asleep. Look, we got the pop-ups. Y'all, Cody wore this on her birthday. This on Dominic. It was a little bit nicer, like a thicker material. For $4.99. I could have got it here. That's crazy. Yeah, I remember when I was pregnant with Diamond, I was so scared of miscarrying. Then I came to the dollar store and I got like 10 of these tests. And I would test literally like once a week if I didn't feel him to see like if the line was still strong. I don't know if that was actually an accurate way to test. Do these things work? It's a therapeutic head massager. Yeah, when I'm looking for my ghetto pickles and I never know where to get them, the dollar stores had them this whole time. I got the tapatio. This is the one I like here, the kosher. But this is too much salt. I don't need this today. It doesn't look like they have what I came for, which is the detox tea section. They don't even sell it. Usually it's in the tea section and I don't see it. Chamomile, ginger, hot chocolate. Okay guys, I haven't vlogged all day today. It is 4:28 in the morning and I just finished packing all of you guys' orders. Being a one-man show is definitely not easy, especially when it comes to these wig sales. I've been trying to bulk up and make sure that I have at least like 40 wigs per wig sale so that like they won't sell out as fast, because when I do like 15 to 20 wigs, you guys always complain that it wasn't enough. But I think I'm gonna have to go back to doing the wig sales a little bit more often and doing them when there's like 20 wigs max, just because this literally took a toll on me and I'm not even done. I have a couple of more to pack up, but this is the bulk of it. So yeah, I'm gonna put this in a bag. I've also cleaned up my area because it was crazy in here. And also exciting news, Babe was able to go to the storage and get our Christmas stuff out. I'm actually extremely excited. This is the first year I'll be recycling my Christmas stuff. My Christmas tree last year was really cute. I got so many compliments and I did it by myself with, you know, stuff from everywhere, like those bulbs. Those big bulbs right there are from Walmart and they actually were like so beautiful. So I've been doing a tree every year since we've had Diamond, and every single year I get a new tree as well as new ornaments, just mainly because the year before I probably didn't store it properly, or I just don't feel like getting it out of the storage. So yes, we do have quite a few ornaments sets in the storage, and truth be told, like each year easily I spend minimum $500 on just tree and ornaments, because a tree in itself is expensive, and then you have to think of the skirt, 5 stockings. I've repurchased Elf on the Shelf so many times, and then, you know, bulbs from different places. I got some stuff from Walmart, some stuff from Target, some stuff from Z Gallery, and it adds up really quickly every year. So this is going to be the first year I'm going to actually recycle everything that I have from last year and literally just do the same tree over, mainly because I'm not going to say I'm not in the holiday spirit, but I'm just not in the mood to just try and go and find ornaments and decorations, especially with everything that's going on right now. I'm looking a mess.
I do have on an older wig. I'm gonna go ahead and revamp this one in the morning. So I pulled it out and literally I was about to take it back off because I just rebraided my meat meal braids so that they lay flat. But I literally just put a scarf on for you guys because it's looking crazy under here, because again, this wig is just a old wig I'm trying to revamp, or I might just install one of the newer wigs that I have. But I really like this wig, so we'll see. But I did receive a luxury package today. I'm not sure if I should unbox it now or wait. You know what? I'm gonna wait. Yeah, I'm gonna wait. I'll be talking about my eyebrows. This is day 2. I haven't washed them, put any soap, any product on them. I've minimally got them wet. I wore my shower cap literally over my eyebrows trying to keep them from getting wet. Turns out that was stupid because when I got out and I took the shower cap off, they were like, it was like water around it. So it's inevitable they'll get wet. But the ideal for me is just to not get them wet, not get any product in it the first 4 days, so that the ink has chance to set, because they are going to fade significantly over time, especially once I start putting product. So far I am pleased with the shape and the color. If you've seen anyone get brows done microblading or combo brows before, then you know it's very dark in the beginning because you know, it's fresh ink. But within 6 to 8 weeks it's gonna settle, and then I'm gonna have a touch-up session. I'll talk about that again on another day. But it is 4:30 in the morning, so I'm about to go hop in the bed because I have homeschooling with my son in the morning, and again I have to edit. I did not edit today's vlog. Whew. I might have to skip on homeschooling with Diamond in the morning. He's technically not behind because we did so much in preparation for a busy week last week. He has to have 30% done by the 7th, which is Monday, and he's at 29%. So I think, yeah, we're not gonna do homeschooling in the morning. Moral of the story is I need help desperately with work because it's not enough hours in the day to physically get the things that I need to get done. But I'm gonna go ahead and do these dishes because, again, seeing dirty dishes in the morning literally overwhelms me.